Good afternoon, friends, and welcome on this Sunday afternoon. Hope you all are very fine. And we have a CA Priyanka Palrecha, mindset mindset coach. She is a wonderful, we can say, speaker and motivational booster. We can say she is qualified chartered accountant at very young age. She is other qualification as well. Let me tell you, as per her profile, she is an average student and still can qualify CA at the young age and the first attempt itself. So you also can do. So we welcome CA Priyanka Palrecha madam on our platform at Connect Easy. The concept behind this is to just give a moral booster to all the students across profession, whether chartered accountancy, company secretary, or any other profession, cost accountancy, many others are there as well. So we welcome all the participants. So before we just start the session, would like to play one or two small video about our Connect Easy platform. We have started this journey from very long, but in this webinar platform, we have started in the month of April last year when lockdown started. So, would like to play a small video.
Here, and I can say that I have met Virag since last 4 years. A person with passion, a person whatever he thinks he does, he works hard, and a man with a vision, and a person who thinks out of box. So, with those words towards Virag, let me come towards Institute and Chartered Accountancy course of which you are members.
And when you twin two or more person come together, I think they can create miracles. And the proof of this synergy is between the Connect Easy and our JCF. Let me tell you, we must have, I can definitely tell you that in COVID period, we must have done nearly 120 webinars. And I have to thank Virag, the CEO of Connect Easy, for really giving us this opportunity to be with him and really creating miracles. He had, I think, in COVID period, Virag has done, I think, he had all adversity he has converted into an opportunity. This is what he has from the day one, from the lockdown, he has started this webinar. I can say that he is a pioneer and the leader in this webinar sessions. I think Connect Easy must have done nearly more than 300 plus webinars, if I'm not mistaken, Virag. I think you confirm to this.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
yeah. And I think he has brought and given us also an opportunity to have such excellent, highly influential people and intellectual people on this platform. So thank you, Virag, for giving a value addition to our members also and to JCF. And you also are a part of JCF. I understand, but whatever opportunities that you have given us, and this is what is called as merger and the advantages of this, converting all your adversities into opportunities, all your stumbling stones into stepping stones, all your scars into stars. And this is what we have been doing it up to now.
Friends, many more videos are there. You can watch on our YouTube channel Connect Easy. Just go on YouTube and type hashtag Connect Easy or hashtag Virag Shah. You will find our channel. You can subscribe and watch more than 200 to 50 plus videos or even more. You kept as a private. Soon we will make it public as well. So you can watch many professional videos, motivational, yoga related on any subject. You can tell we have conducted a webinar and you can watch there as per your convenience as per your home. So you can subscribe the channel. You can connect me on social media, on various social media, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, on Facebook as well, for information about webinar and other motivational related quote as well. So now would like to request, many participants now already join as well. So would like to request our today's guest speaker, CA Priyanka Palrecha, a mindset coach, to change the all the students' mindset and the winning strategy or the winning the exam, and whatever happened in the past, or how to overcome the failure. So all the topics what we have mentioned in the brochure and what we will discuss today as well. So would like to request Priyanka ma'am to start our today's session. So over to you, ma'am.
Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to this PowerPex session. And first of all, I would like to thank Viragji. Like you have always been a supporter. Like you always, whenever I put a request, he's like, okay, we will do it webinar for students because I'm highly interested in uplifting the morale of students. तो मुझे उनके लिए एक soft corner हमेशा रहता है. So I always approach him कि चलो students के लिए कुछ करते हैं. And he is always a medium of connectivity only for like lot of. I had known him. I'm knowing him since 2 years, so he's always a medium of connectivity. So he's put an app name for his company, which is Connect Easy, and he's an amazing human being. So yeah, thank you so much, Virag, for calling me here, and let's start. Yeah. So yeah, I'll begin. I'll share the screen. Is the screen visible? Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, cool. Okay, so failures. So I want any one of you to just unmute yourself and share your experience about failure. Who would like to share? Like, I need this session is gonna be interactive one, so I want you all to participate because that will, it will create a quorum. So maza aayega. So yeah, who would like to volunteer?
Participants are requested to post their query or anything in the question tab so that we can unmute them as well.
Yeah, so
If
raise a
anybody want
hand
to,
in the chat box. Anybody who wants to volunteer? No one.
at present there is no one.
Okay, got it. ठीक है, चलो. Later on, I hope you participate because this webinar is to participate. Then only you'll be out of your fears and all those emotional things happening inside you. So yeah, let us begin. So before I start, I want to share you that I'm a mindset coach, which means I will take you to the journey of your mind. Like CA is not only about the intellectual aspect, right? It is also about the mindset. So how you can rewire your mindset and actually cause results which you really want in your life. So if I'll share my own journey also later on कि मैंने क्या mindset adapt किया था when I was studying for my CA. I'll share my story as well. But at this moment, I want you all to understand that it's a combination of intellectual and the mindset game, correct? So, yeah. So there are two circles which happens in our life. Number one is circle of concern and the other is circle of influence. तो सर्कल ऑफ कंसर्न इज बेसिकली जहाँ पे हमारा कोई कंट्रोल नहीं होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ICAI उसने आपको फेल किया, क्या आप उसमें कुछ कर सकते हो? नो. For example, other people's opinion, maybe your friends, relatives, they say something about you, or any thoughts, any kind of those things. Do you have any control about them? No, you do not have. So then what can you control? Like हम लोग generic चीजों पे हमेशा हमेशा फोकस करते हैं and we think कि चलो उस पे बात करके या फिर judgment करके we spend our time. but actually that is not going to work for you. So then where can we focus on? So we can focus on our own self, our words, our behavior, our actions and our beliefs. तो उसको कैसे हम काम करें and how do they operate और उसको कैसे rewire करें, we will see. Okay. Now, here I want you all to understand कि आप इन चारों में से कौन सी कैटेगरी वाले पर्सन हो. So number one is who takes failure too personally because you've always been successful, like in your 11th, 12th or 10th you have scored really good marks, or maybe you have scored rank also, and certainly you are what do you say, coming across a failure. So in that moment you're not able to deal with that and you take that personally so much कि आपको लगता है कि shit, what has happened to me, is there something wrong in me? So that is number one type. Number B is keep blaming everything outside them. मतलब आप बोलते हो कि नहीं मैं तो एकदम ठीक हूँ, बट मेरा जो भी एनवायरनमेंट है ना, मेरे जो लोग हैं आजू बाजू के, या फिर जो सीए इंस्टीट्यूट है, या फिर कॉस्ट अकाउंटेंट इंस्टीट्यूट, और you're just blaming things around you, thinking that I am perfect, there is no harm or no problem in me, but मैं एकदम perfect हूँ, but मेरे जो आजू बाजू people है या जो भी चीजें वो गलत है. C category is you are extremely negative about yourself and also about your surroundings. मतलब आप यहाँ पे you can say you are highly negative about everything because there have been certain circumstances in your life which has made you this kind of person. तो आप ये category में आ गए हो. And D is you are a kind of easy goer who says, yeah, I understand, despite giving my 100%, मैं fail हो गया हूँ. There could be certain reasons जिसकी वजह से हो गया हो, but I accept the reality and I want to get back in action without giving much power to the external world. So आप अगर आप you identify yourself in this category कि आप ये चारों में से कौन सी category के हो. Can you put down your category in the chat box? किसी को दिखेगा नहीं? Can you please share it? I mean दिखेगा then also it doesn't matter as such, because I want you to be interactive. That will really help you. So yeah, can you put it on chat box कि आप कौन सी category में हो, A, B, C या D?
Ma'am, they will post in the question tab. So open question tab. Many are telling A and few are telling B as well.
Just a minute, I can't see.
Question tab, you need to
I
undock.
got. Okay, so A, B, C, D वाले भी है. That's amazing. D is the most easygoing category. So yeah, that's a very good category. You should have that mindset with you. Okay, A and B वाले बहुत ज़्यादा है. Okay, fusion of A, B, C. That's nice. Okay, awesome. Thank you for replying. Now let us move ahead. So now I would like to tell you that this category which you have identify yourself in is not the reality. मतलब जो आप stories बना रहे हो खुद के लिए वो reality नहीं है. It can be changed. But हमको लगता है कि जो मेरे साथ हो रहा है या मैं सोच रहा हूँ मैं वही person हूँ. थोड़ा confusing है, right? Okay, so I'll explain you how and what. So now here we have our conscious mind and the subconscious. So I am a mindset coach और मैंने I'm not going to take you to neuroscience, but थोड़ा you have to understand कि आपका mind कैसे function करता है and अगर आपको उसको rewire करना है तो आपको कैसे करना है. So that's the reason I am bringing that awareness inside you, because that will help you to have a perspective about your own self. Okay, so there is this conscious mind and the subconscious mind. So what is subconscious mind? It is basically that part inside you which is having imaginations, जो भी आपको habits है, beliefs है, जो भी आप सोचते हो, जो भी आपके involuntary functions होते हैं. For example, your the brain is passing the blood in your body. वो सब involuntary हो रहा है, आपको उसके लिए कुछ करना नहीं पड़ता है. But the subconscious mind is constantly operating on its own. वो कर रहा है, अपना काम सब कर रहा है. फिर आपके जो emotions होते हैं, आपके reactions होते हैं, intuitions होते हैं, ये सब आपके subconscious level पे चलता है. एंड कॉन्शियस लेवल पे क्या होता है, दैट्स द स्टेज जहाँ पे आपका लॉजिकल थिंकिंग, क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, मीनिंग कि आप जो भी लॉजिक्स यूज करते हो या जो भी एक्शंस ले रहे हो एट द मोमेंट कि अभी मुझे क्या करना है, कॉन्शियस लेवल पे वो चीजें होती हैं. नाउ द आयरनी इज, ये जो आपका सबकॉन्शियस माइंड है दैट इज योर सर्वेंट, एंड जो कॉन्शियस माइंड है दैट इज द मास्टर. एंड द अल्टीमेट आयरनी इज कि ये सबकॉन्शियस माइंड है 30,000 टाइम्स मोर पावरफुल देन योर कॉन्शियस माइंड. मतलब आप जो भी सोचते रहते हो, बिलीव, सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी आप सपोज फेल हो गए हो एंड देयर वुड बी एक्स वाई जेड रीजन कि मैं इस रीजन से फेल हुआ हूँ. दैट रीजन वुड बी कॉन्स्टेंटली रिपीटिंग द मोमेंट यू विल ओपन योर बुक्स. जैसे आप अभी आपको मे में अटेम्प्ट देना है, तो आप जैसे ही बुक खोल रहे हो वो सारा पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस, बिलीव्स, थॉट सब कुछ आ जाता है एंड यू स्टार्ट बिलीविंग कि वापस अगर मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ तो, राइट. व्हाई इट हैपेंस? बिकॉज आपका जो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड है वो सारे एक्सपीरियंस को स्टोर करके रखता है एंड उसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि आप वही डोमेन में ऑपरेट करते हो अनटिल एंड अनलेस आप ये जो आपके एक्सपीरियंसेस है, थॉट्स है, उसको कंप्लीट करो एंड रिवायर करो, देन ओनली यू कैन मूव फॉरवर्ड. अदरवाइज आप वही विशियस सर्कल में रहोगे. So are you really interested कि मैं इसको कैसे रिवायर करूं? Because you know I have a client like who is a CA student. So when he came to me, he was like, "Ma'am, whenever I open the book, I'm like completely blank. मुझे like मेरे 3-4 घंटे चले जाते हैं just thinking about my past कि मैंने क्या mistakes किया है या मैंने life में क्या wrong decisions लिया. Like I just can't focus. Why this is happening? Because आपने आपका एक पैटर्न बना दिया है, एक हैबिट फॉर्म कर दी है of thinking in that way, and you are not getting an access to rewire that. और उसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है, वो हैबिट चेंज नहीं हो रही है, वो पैटर्न चेंज नहीं हो रही है, and you are constantly getting the results which is derived by the same old patterns and habits. Am I making sense? Are you all understanding? Okay, so if you are saying interesting and all, so yeah, thank you. Yeah, this is very interesting, and the fact is कि basically you would have heard कि you have all the power, you are you are just whole complete and perfect, ये सब आता है. But जब भी practically implement करना होता है, like how to do that? Because when you are stuck with a failure, ये सब चीजें कभी काम नहीं करती है. Am I right? So how we can take actions so that ये सारी चीजों को हम deal कर सकते हैं. I will give you that also in the later part of the sessions. Let us know more about it. So क्या होता है कि subconscious mind आपका servant है, आप उसको जो बोलोगे वो करेगा. So for example, you tell yourself that I am a failure. I don't think so I will pass maybe in 1 or 2 attempt also because I do not deserve that. Or maybe whatever story you say for yourself, you do that. Next is if you say, so for example, I will share my mindset. So when I was studying like way back in 2008, I had registered for my CA. And trust me, that point of time, I had no idea that how mind works and everything. But I had this positive mindset which always operated me, right? So तभी मैं सोचती थी कि मुझे CA जितना जल्दी हो बनना है. And very honestly, I joined CA because I believed कि वो सबसे easily, like in a very young age you become CA and वो भी एकदम renowned degree मिल जाता है and you can earn so much out of it. So I was so excited कि मुझे इसलिए CA था. And the moment I signed my form, I literally trained my mind कि I want to clear my CA exam in all the exams in the first attempt without any doubt. I believed कि वहाँ पे कोई दो ग्रुप जैसा भी कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है. It has to be like 7 or 8 subjects. And day in day out, I was living that mindset. उसके लिए मुझे जो भी मेहनत करना पड़ता था, I used to do that. I was like, I trained myself कि कितना भी मेहनत करने पड़ेगा, I am ready. But मुझे CA फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में ही बनना है, period. So this is the programming I had given to my mind and I was directed by that programming. तो मुझे जो actions भी लेने होते थे वो programming से आते थे. बट अगर मैं उसके लिए कॉन्ट्री, सो मेरा जो स्टूडेंट था, ही टेल मी बट मैम मुझे ये आता ही नहीं, मुझे यही आता है कि मैं फेल हो जाऊंगा, मेरे से पढ़ाई नहीं होगी, आई कांट डू इट. So he said my programming is like that and I can't just study, right? So can you see the programming how it is functioning? सो ये जो माइंडसेट आया है कि मैं फेल हो जाऊंगा, ये नहीं कर पाऊंगा, दिस इज ऑल्सो कम बिकॉज ऑफ योर पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस. देयर हैड बीन सर्टेन इंसिडेंट्स इन योर लाइफ जिसकी वजह से ये आया है, राइट? तो उसको कैसे रिवायर करेंगे? सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज, आपका जो सर्वेंट है विच इज योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, आपको उसको कॉन्स्टेंटली वो फीडिंग देना पड़ेगा. Initially it will not be easy for you to give that feeding, but gradually when you will give that feeding, so this is known as the technique of affirmation or visualizations. ये सारी techniques use करके you are reprogramming your subconscious. But again, it is not that easy, very honestly, but with consistent efforts you can do it, provided there are, like I'll share again in the later part, ki kya kya elements hai which you can work on so that you can reprogram your subconscious mind and you can start believing that you can do it. Okay. So yeah, so as I said, ki subconscious mind is 30,000 times more powerful, and it is almost 90 to 95% of your mind. So 90 to 95% is occupied by subconscious mind, and only around 5 to 10% is your conscious mind. So can you imagine how much important it is to take care of your subconscious mind? And if you do not do that, then you will be in the pitfall. Okay. So let us move ahead. I want you all to write down the answers for these questions right away. Like, what is the reason of your failure? So, what is that story which you have created, which you think at this moment that this is the truth? This is this is the absolute reason of my failure, and I think this is going to be like period for me. वो आपको reason लिखना है. Number two is, what is the impact of failure on you? So because of this failure आप कैसे इंसान बन गए हो? So maybe your behavior or maybe your thinking patterns, thoughts, वो सब क्या आने लग गए हैं? So write that down. Third is, what limiting belief did you create for yourself and started believing in it? Meaning कि आपने क्या एक limiting belief बना लिया कि, for example, because I fail, I think I am I'm not a good, I am not a good student, or I can't study itna sara, I am not meant for this. Anything which is, stopping you to take action. So that's going to be your limiting belief. So write down that कि क्या limiting belief आपने खुद के लिए create किए. Then ask yourself, do you think this is the ultimate truth? मतलब जो स्टोरी आपने खुद के लिए बनाई है कि मैं ऐसा हूँ या ऐसी हूँ, do you think 10 years down the line it is going to be the ultimate truth or reality of yours? Next is, what new belief you can form that will empower you to take action? So as I said, the subconscious reprogramming ke liye, you will have to give yourself certain set of beliefs that will really empower you to take actions. So I want you to like just sit down for 5 minutes and like do this exercise. It is very intense and it can give you a real shift in your approach. So yeah, just go ahead. If you have any question regarding all any of these questions, you can put it down. Also, those who are done, you can share your limiting belief and what new belief you have created for yourself. Okay, 3 more minutes. Okay, so yeah, who would like to share their answers? No one? Also, the more you will participate, the more value will you will get out of this session, because this is not only me talking. Otherwise, once the session is done, you're gonna be the same. कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. But if you participate genuinely, you will get results. I can tell you that, like from my own experience. I've taken so many sessions, so it really benefits. So yeah, do participate. So who would like to share anything, either like coming upfront या फिर on the chat box?
And should I play the video now?
Yeah, does anybody wants to share anything? Just come up, it's okay. Nobody's gonna judge you.
Ma'am,
Okay.
they're posting in the question tab if you can check.
I cannot see the updated one. वो will recording of session will be shared. उसके बाद कुछ आया है क्या?
Yes, yes. You have to undock that. Undock
हाँ.
from control panel. So it will make it a bigger screen.
Okay. ठीक है, got it. What able to maintain work and study amendments. Okay, very good. So, name. Okay, so work and study amendments. What if a new one be great in future? Okay. Are able to maintain balance? Okay, got it. Thank you for sharing your answers. Uh, all these questions will be answered in like I will be taking care of until the end of the session. So now I would like to share a video with you जो आपको clearly it will depict कि how you are functioning. आपका जो inner world होता है, there are two this thing inside you. So one who is going to empower you, and the one who is going to pull you down, right? So where do you give power? वो आपको ऊपर लेके जाएगा या नीचे लेके जाएगा. So this video is an amazing way of explaining that. So yeah, Virag ji, please share it.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, hope you got a lesson from this video. This is exactly how we behave when something goes wrong with us. We self-sabotage us so much that we can't see anything good inside us. This is where, subconsciously you are hurting yourself, damaging yourself. And that red animal which is troubling you, you have to take care of that, and you have to really shut it off. And that's where, you have to fill in it with the positive things. That's the white owl which was doing it. And this is how you reprogram your subconscious mind. And I'm not saying that red animal will not be there inside you. It is going to be there, but it is upon you whom you give power to. अगर आप वो रेड एनिमल पे पावर दोगे, it will kill you. Like literally, it will make you, take you into depression as well. Because when you give so much power to that red animal, it is sucking all your strength and power. If you realize that if you don't give power to that, you can again rise up and do and cause anything, whatever you want in your life, right? So yeah, that was the intention for showing that video. Let us move forward. So that is why I would like to share that our thoughts are the primary drivers of our life. Like the way we think, that's the, because everything originates in your thought. वो थॉट से ही आपका इमोशनल कनेक्ट होगा. सो दैट्स वेयर कॉन्शियस लेवल पे वो थॉट आएगा, एंड सबकॉन्शियस लेवल पे उसका सब जो पैटर्न्स होगा, इमोशंस होगा, वो सब उसके साथ कनेक्ट होता जाएगा. सो व्हाटएवर यू थिंक determines you and make you. So your thoughts shall be of premium quality. There has to be no compromise in that. And if you think कि वो premium quality नहीं आ रहा है, do anything and everything जिसकी वजह से आपको वो premium quality लाना पड़ेगा, मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. Because this is not going to work for you if you still be the same old one जो जिस तरीके से सोच रहा था, and आप नए actions नहीं लोगे, there would be no new results. So you have to think premium quality thought. आप खुद अपने लिए नहीं सोचोगे तो कौन सोचेगा? I mean, if you are going to trouble yourself, think ill about yourself, who the hell will think good about you? Nobody. You are your own creator. अगर आप नहीं create करोगे वो happiness, वो positivity जो आपको चाहिए, who's gonna create for you? You have to do it. Period. They should always be empowering, powerful, and positive. So I'm not saying कि आपको कभी negative thought आएगा ही नहीं. Yes, it will come because we are made up of emotions. So वो सब चीजें आने वाली है. But you shall be able to bounce back faster. अगर thoughts आ रहा है, आने दो. Emotions आ रहा है, take your time to heal yourself. But do not let them, take a toll on you. They should not be dominant in you. That's the only thing. एंड जितना ज्यादा आप पावर आपके पॉजिटिव थॉट्स, पावरफुल थॉट्स को दोगे, उतने ज्यादा वो सब चीजें जो है नेगेटिव है वो नॉइज कम करेंगे. दे विल नॉट मेक मच नॉइज इनसाइड यू, एंड यू विल पुट देम अनअटेंडेड. आपको आप उनको भाव भी नहीं दोगे. दैट्स हाउ इट फंक्शंस, राइट? So now here I want you all to do this meditation technique with me right now. This is basically the emotional freedom technique. So आपने जो भी failures experience किया है, या फिर whatever anything bad which you have experienced, which is not good for you, and you are getting hurt or not so good feeling about it, about those thoughts, this technique will help you to release out all those unwanted emotions and thoughts. So are you all interested in doing this? So yeah, reply yes or no. Yeah, I'm waiting. Are you all interested in doing this exercise, meditation
Yeah, so they
exercise?
are posting again in question tab, ma'am. So they have only one. There are many answers. Hate is telling yes, Shreya is telling yes, Maitri yes, Shravan Kumar ji, why not? Bipin ji, yes. There are many yes are there.
Okay, so then I'm motivated to make you do this exercise. Thank you for replying. Yeah, so sit in a comfortable position, like wherever you are, just disconnect yourself with anything which is happening around you or making noise. Just shut it off, or make yourself comfortable in a place. It is just 2-3 minutes exercise. It's completely, you have to be with yourself. So yeah, just settle yourself. I'll just give you 1 minute. Quickly do that, and sit in a comfortable position. If you're on a chair, then sit straight, or if you are on, wherever you're sitting, just sit in a comfortable position. Yeah. Now close your eyes. Inhale. Slowly. Exhale. Breathe in. Slowly. Breathe out. I want you all to be present to all the negative thoughts जो आपके mind में अभी चल रहे हैं. I did not clear in my exams. मैंने पढ़ाई तो बहुत की थी, but I don't know why, my destiny is not favoring me. मैं अपने mom dad को क्या बोलूं? They are just, they are feeling so sorry about me. I don't know what my friends will think about me. I'm feeling I should not do CA. It's really painful to get failed. I just don't like it. All the thoughts which are there inside you, जो आपको trouble कर रहे हैं, जो आपको hurt कर रहे हैं, bring them on. Bring everything up right now. Feel the negative thoughts which is there inside you. Bring everything on. Feel the physical pain in your chest, in your head, in your tummy, in your belly. Feel the emotion connected to that thought. Yeah, it is real. Feel that thought. It is okay if you want to cry, you can cry. It's completely okay. But bring everything on. Whatever is hidden in your subconscious mind, all the thoughts, all the beliefs about yourself. People are not good to me, they are not kind to me, they're literally harsh, they do not support me. Whatever it is, just bring that on. Feel the pain, feel the emotion, just feel it. Slowly let these thoughts go. Let them go. See, these thoughts are moving out from you. You're just going out. Just let them pass by. Let them go. Feel the lightness in your head. Feel the calmness inside you. You are whole, complete, and perfect. You deserve all happiness in this world. You are capable of doing it. You can do and take any actions, whatever you want to. You are capable of it. Love yourself. You deserve that. Be kind. Love yourself. You have to love yourself. You deserve that. Inhale. Slowly Exhale. Inhale. Slowly. Exhale. Open your eyes with a big smile. Okay. Hope you guys are feeling little relaxed, little clean, little light. And yeah, there is some kind of freshness inside you. Hope you're going through all those things. So this is how you are cleaning the old patterns inside you. You are letting go stuff inside you, and you are bringing on whatever is positive, whatever is good for you. This is how we reprogram us. This is one of the techniques, but it's really, really effective. Okay. So yeah, hope this exercise helped you. Now let us move forward. Now I know you guys are ready to take the positive stuff inside you. So now I'm going to give you all the action points कि आप क्या कर सकते हो so that you can cause results, right? So let us begin. Okay, so at this moment, I want you all to discover a strong why as to why you want, like why you want to become CA, or why you want to pass this exam, or why you want to do this job, whatever you are doing. Like put a strong reason कि मुझे ये क्यों चाहिए, and it should be so strong कि every day आपको कितना भी negative thought आएगा ना, but this why would be like a hook on yourself, and it will like showing away all your negative stuff, and this gonna be heading straight कि मुझे ये चाहिए and period, और उसके अलावा मैं कोई reason को buy नहीं करूँगी. So this strong why has to be literally strong. So discover कि क्या हो सकता है ऐसा जो मुझे चाहिए ही चाहिए वाला फीलिंग आना चाहिए कि कुछ भी हो जाए मुझे ये चीज चाहिए. So उसका जो रीजन है वो आपको निकालना है. So for example, when I was studying, मेरा strong why था that I want to explore life. And also I used to love studies. मुझे मजा आती थी accounts करने में and all. So I used to enjoy whatever I was studying. So that's the reason कि मुझे वो बहुत मजा आती है. मुझे रिसर्च करना अच्छा लगता है, पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है, ऑडिट पसंद है, अकाउंट्स पसंद है. That was my love one. And the other thing is कि मुझे लाइफ को भी एक्सप्लोर करना है. मुझे रिनाउंड डिग्री चाहिए, तो मुझे सब जल्दी चाहिए. इसके लिए मेरे को कोई रीजन नहीं चलेगा जिसकी वजह से मैं मेहनत में कोई कमी रखूं, so that I don't become CA at early, like as early as possible. So that was my driving force कि कभी भी ऐसा नेगेटिव थॉट आता था कि अगर नहीं हुआ तो, so I used to tell myself मैंने मेरा 100 नहीं 500% दे दिया है. Even God will have to support me. The entire universe will have to support me to make my dream come into reality. That kind of feeding I had given, और वो भी एकदम belief के साथ, not just for the sake of saying. So whenever I used to take like मेहनत करती थी, तो वो जो reasons थे उसको इतना power देती थी कि automatically this thing was happening. So आईनी इसकी जब भी मैं पढ़ रही थी, इंस्टीट्यूट ने स्कीम निकाला वेरिन दे प्रीपोन्ड कि मैं 6 महीना सीए जल्दी बन सकती हूँ. सो दे हैव कि you can appear for your exam 6 months. So can you see the universe conspires whatever you say? So this is how you have to give so strong command to the universe कि आपको जो चाहिए मिलेगा ही. Yeah, it is possible. ठीक है, because of certain reasons destiny may not be in favor with you because of certain reasons. Failure आ जाता है, ठीक है ना. So that doesn't mean there is something wrong with you. You're absolutely okay until unless you've taken actions. You have done your part. आपने आपका काम कर लिया है, and then destiny is not favoring you. Like it's okay, accept that. Do not resist it. कि why me? Instead, it's okay, I me, but I will take action. कि मेरी destiny को जो भी हो रहा है उसको मैं turn around करूँ. You have to challenge यार. this is a challenging game. So for example, cricket match है. अभी वो लोग like suppose India is playing with Australia, right? Both are giving such a tough competition to each other कि end में like they are just taking वो extra over खेल के they are deciding who is winning. तो आप भी ऐसा डेस्टिनी के साथ गेम करो, करना है तो करो फेल, बट मैं मेरा जो बोलते हैं ना बेस्ट है वो दूंगा. आपको जो करना है कर लो. यू हैव टू चैलेंज एंड एंजॉय द प्रोसेस. आप क्या होते हैं ना, आप डरते हो बहुत कि अरे फेल हो गया तो, फेलियर आ गया तो एंड ऑल. सो दैट फियर इज stopping you to take the desired actions. वो fear की वजह से ना आपको जितना perform करना चाहिए उतना perform नहीं कर पाते. So I invite you कि give your fullest. और आपको अगर सोचना ही है आपके future के बारे में, आपके result के बारे में, तो अच्छा सोचो ना. See, you have to think the way you, I mean, अब आपके जो past में हुआ है, that is independent of your future. आपका future जो है, it has no connection to your past. ये तो आपका subconscious mind जिसने सब राम कहानी store करके रखी है, वो आपको बोल रहा है कि आपके जो past में हुआ था, वो वापस future में हो सकता है. So that's not the truth. ये तो फिर जो भी फेल हुए होते हैं आज तक एग्जाम में या लाइफ में, फेलियर सबके साथ आता है, तो वो कभी लाइफ में आगे ही नहीं बढ़ेंगे. दे विल ऑलवेज बी अ फेलियर. इट्स नॉट रियलिटी. it's completely your past is independent of your future. तो अगर आपको सोचना ही है खुद के बारे में तो अच्छा सोचो. who will think who will not think good about you अगर आप खुद नहीं सोचोगे. you have to think positive about yourself. भले कुछ भी हो जाए, you have to think, and that will be driven by your strong why. मुझे ये क्यों करना है, and that's where it will give you everything whatever you want. Okay, yeah, this is my favorite. That's a mind game. So yeah, अभी मैंने आपको इतना सारा mindset, beliefs and all बता दिया है. So that is where you have to focus. If you see, जब भी आप पढ़ते हो, अगर आप कभी बहुत अच्छे मूड में होते हो, पॉजिटिव होते हो, तो आप जो एक चैप्टर जो पढ़ रहे थे उसको आप लाइक लिटरली आधे घंटे में फिनिश कर देते हो. बट अगर आपका माइंड ठिकाने नहीं होता है तो उसको आपको मे बी आधा दिन भी चला जाता है एंड यू डोंट इवन रियलाइज. सो इट्स नॉट दैट you do not have the potential. It is where there's certain beliefs in you are not, certain thoughts inside you are doing सब गड़बड़. So वहां पे आपको खुद को कैच करना है. What is my thought process या मेरी beliefs अभी क्या चल रही है, मुझे उसके ऊपर 100% alert रहना पड़ेगा. Like you should not allow them to be on autopilot mode. You have to be alert and catchy about your thoughts. जैसे ही आ रहा है, take a time out, do anything else and again be back in action. Because अगर इधर गड़बड़ होगी ना, अगर belief पे गड़बड़ होगी ना, तो आपका actions वैसा गड़बड़ वाला ही आएगा, right? So your beliefs has to be empowering and powerful. फिर इसके driven जो action होगा, that gonna be powerful. That gonna be awesome. So first step is to have a belief and take actions for that. No matter आपको लग रहा है कि मुझे आपको लग रहा है कि मुझे आज मैंने 6 घंटा ही पढ़ा है, मुझे 8 घंटा पढ़ना चाहिए, तो stretch yourself, 2 घंटा एक्स्ट्रा पढ़ लो. It is okay. But study that part, extra part and finish off everything. So belief होगी तो action आएगा. और आपको लग रहा है कि बट अभी strength नहीं है, बट अगर आपका वो belief होगा driving force, तो आपका potential automatically आएगा. So tell me कि कौन था कि जो ऐसे सोचता था कि मेरा वर्क, मैं ऑफिस भी जाऊंगा, मैं सीए की पढ़ाई भी कर लूंगा, क्लासेस भी जाऊंगा, सब कुछ हो जाएगा और मैं पास भी हो जाऊंगा. Till 12 we could have never imagined ourselves like this. But after coming in CA, हमारा potential automatically develop हो गया है, right? So when I appeared for my IPCC exam, मेरा exam like I was the old student, PCC में थी, and I have converted into IPCC. So I just have 7 to 8 months to study, right? So in that time हम लोग का ये सब IDT trainings, orientation trainings, classes, everything was there, and office भी चालू था because I was an old student. तो उस टाइम पे बट आई डू नॉट से कि मतलब ये कैसे होगा, आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू इट. नहीं, नो, नॉट अलाउड. आई ऑलवेज लुक एट द पॉजिटिव साइड. मुझे जल्दी बनने मिल रहा है, चलो ना एक्स्ट्रा मेहनत कर लेते, क्या फर्क पड़ेगा, इट्स ओके. सो सबके साथ ये जगलिंग हर सीए स्टूडेंट के साथ होता है, दैट वी हैव टू मैनेज एवरीथिंग. बट अगर आप बिलीव करोगे कि नहीं मैं कर सकता हूँ, आई विल बी एबल टू डू इट, then automatically आपके अंदर वो potential built on होगा. You will be directed to take those actions that will develop your potentials, right? So have a strong belief कि मुझे करना है, take actions for those, and the potential will develop in the journey, and that will give you the results. हम क्या करते हैं, belief, वो मेरे को सीए करना, इतना पढ़ना है, और फिर पढ़ के भी अगर मैं फेल हो गया तो वो सोच के हम गड्ढे में गिर जाते हैं. जैसे रिजल्ट के बारे में सोचते ना, एक्शन आता ही नहीं, और वो भी एक बार फेल हो जाए ना, उसके बाद तो वो एक्शन आने के लिए बहुत टाइम लग जाता है. So, shift your focus at this moment from result and start like put your focus on your actions कि मुझे कैसे पढ़ना है. अभी मेरा ये रिजल्ट आ गया, ठीक है, अभी मे में एग्जाम्स है, तो स्टार्ट इट राइट टुडे. आज वैलेंटाइन डे है, ठीक है, सब लोग सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, बट माय सेलिब्रेशन शुड बी विथ माय बुक्स because books are my love. So being a CA student, you should say that books are my love. You should have that affection and connection with books. You should have that because वो love नहीं आएगा books के लिए, तो फिर ना वो revenge वाला आ जाएगा, वो आपको books will make you fail kind of thing. So yeah, you should have good connection with your books and potential बढ़ जाएगा and results will come. Okay, so keep this chart in your mind and take actions. Okay. Yeah, now quickly, these are some what do you say, these are things which always come to your mind. So self doubt आता ही है, am I in the wrong field, I think I should have chosen something else. ये सब चीजें जो हर एक CA student के दिमाग में more or less आती है. So if these things comes, it's very normal. Okay, so do not worry कि मुझे क्यों ऐसे thoughts आ रहे हैं. This is absolutely normal because ऐसी सब चीजें आपने लाइफ में पहले कभी नहीं की हैं और आप कोई अनएक्सप्लोर्ड टेरिटरी में एंटर हुए हो, which requires lot of stuff from you, like it requires so much efforts from you. So ये सब चीजें आपको pop up होने वाली है. Okay, so yeah, I think I'm really dumb. This subject is not at all my cup of tea. I think I don't know anything. I just don't feel like studying. I think I should drop it. Why to take so much pressure? There are a lot many other options which will give me money. My sleep is increasing day by day. I think I am encountered with problem. या फिर कोई बोलेगा मेरा sleep decrease होता जा रहा है. So yeah, these all things are very normal. And yeah, it's okay to fail in in this attempt. हर कोई थोड़ी first attempt में, अगर ये thought आता है ना कि हर कोई थोड़ी first attempt में बनता है, तो चलो fail हो गई तो भी कुछ नहीं. So this is again you are attracting that vicious circle कि चलो ये बार fail हो गई तो ठीक है ना, क्या एक बार और So don't have this kind of what do you say, loose attitude. ठीक है, I failed in this attempt, it's okay, but this next attempt is gonna be my game changer. I want to crack that. Have that, what do you say, driver inside you जो आपको एकदम punch मार के push करेगा. Then only you will be driving absolutely your car like at 100 का speed. You have to be that. अगर आप थोड़ा भी ढीले ढाले हो गए ना, then your game will be out. Okay, 2 groups is not for me. I will give only 1 group. ये भी thoughts आता है, but I personally feel कि you should always appear for two groups. In fact, with this mindset again, in both my exams, IPCC and finals, I cleared with a set off from both the groups. So yeah, that has also happened. But I never thought कि ये दोनों group अलग है. For me, it was like 7 or 8 subjects. But I leave it up to you कि आप जिसमें भी comfortable हो, you can do it. But when you're appearing for the first time, it should always be like दोनों groups. कोई one group जैसा concept नहीं होना चाहिए. सब पढ़ लिया फिर भी एग्जाम में याद नहीं आया तो भाई, if you have studied so much, क्यों याद नहीं आएगा? I use this affirmation. My pen will automatically move because मैंने इतना पढ़ लिया है ना कि there is no doubt कि मैं कुछ उसके अलावा there is no doubt कि मुझे ये नहीं होगा या नहीं आएगा. Because I was very clear कि जो भी फ्यूचर में जो भी एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स को काम करना है वो सब मेरे फेवर में ही होंगे, बट जो मुझे करना है, जो एक्शन पार्ट में मुझे फोकस करना है, उसमें मेरा कोई कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं होना चाहिए. दैट वाज माय माइंडसेट. सो या व्हेन आई ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे को डर नहीं लगता था, बिकॉज आई वाज डैम शिट स्कैर्ड, बट at the same time I had a faith on the higher self, on the universe, कि they will support me in my journey. So that faith used to elevate my what you say, power. They will tell me, that power used to come inside me and ठीक है हो जाएगा. That way, high on emotions रहेंगे, you might feel like crying sometimes, you may get angry, lost. This is absolutely normal. You can go through all these things. It is absolutely okay. Stress and anxiety will be there a lot of times. It is okay. Now, top 10 ways to cope up with all those things. Listen to your body. So कोई students बोलते हैं कि I can study for 14-15 hours, कोई बोलता है मेरे से 7-8 hours तक ही पढ़ाई होता है. Whatever it is, you shall listen to your body. Again, sharing my own example, when I was studying for my finals, 2 months, like after during my leave, 2 महीने तक I could study for 10 to 12 hours at a stretch with absolute focus. और 2 महीने के बाद मेरा पूरा efficiency down हो गया, and I was just able to focus for 6-7 hours. And my sleep had increased. मैं around 9 to 10 hours सोने लगी for 10 days. And I was enjoying that phase. The reason being क्योंकि मैंने already I started my studies early, and I always wanted to do a lot of self study. तो मैंने बहुत कुछ पढ़ के रखा था. So I had little comfort zone, but along with that also I was allowing myself to, I was being kind to myself. I was not being harsh कि नहीं नहीं ऐसे तो चलेगा ही नहीं. Sometimes your body needs certain things. You should be kind to yourself. उसको overstretch करके do not just harm yourself. So listen to your body. Do breathing exercises. They are compulsory, like because अपना जो ये emotion का जो balance है, thoughts and emotion का balance है, it is directly connected with your breath. तो अगर आपको positive thoughts चाहिए, अगर आपको freshness चाहिए, तो ये breathing से वो सब चीजें settle हो जाती हैं. आपके जो भी negatives है, emotions है, वो सब sort हो जाते हैं. इसलिए वो stress, anxiety सब calm down हो जाते हैं. You have to, जैसे ही थोड़ा भी टाइम मिले practice lot of breathing exercises. ब्रीथ पे अवेयरनेस लाओगे ना तो unnecessary thoughts भी आपको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे. So focus a lot on your breathing exercise. Operate at your highest potential, at the same time be kind to yourself. Cut off from people, social media, or anything that makes you feel low. Yes, I mean take a vow right at this moment कि आपकी लाइफ में जो भी आपके नेगेटिव्स है या जो आपको लोअर डाउन करते हैं या पुल डाउन करते हैं, उनको अभी से आपकी बुक्स में से कट ऑफ कर दो. Because they do not like what you say, they should not be there in your life. Why you want to be in company of such people जो आपको ऐसा सब फील करवाए? Not allowed. अगर आप फिजिकली कट ऑफ नहीं कर रहे हो तो मेंटली उनको, like even if they are there, you just neutralize your energies in front of them. उनके बारे में अच्छा भी नहीं सोचो, बुरा भी नहीं सोचो. Do not listen whatever they are saying. Just neutralize yourself and focus on people who support you. जितने ज़्यादा there would be some people in your life जो आपको like what you say, they would be boosting your moral. उनसे आप दिन में एक बार बात करो, उनके साथ time spend करो, like do that stuff with them and elevate those, because the people around you या फिर the social media, you are the average of 5 people या social media, everything, the data you consume, you are the average of those 5 things. So अगर वो पॉजिटिव होगे तो आपको पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट्स मिलेंगे खुद के अंदर. लाइक यू आर फीडिंग, फूड देते हो ना माइंड को, तो पॉजिटिव फूड दोगे, और नेगेटिव रहेंगे तो आप नेगेटिव माइंड को फूड दे रहे हो. सो चॉइस इज योर्स, व्हाट यू वांट टू गिव. ओके, spend some time doing what you love, like listening music, taking a walk in nature, sitting quietly in window, watching a TV show, or anything that's making you happy, because that is very important. बहुत बार ऐसे होता है ना, because of our self sabotaging behavior, we don't, हमको पसंद भी होगा ना, हम करना बंद कर देते, because we want to punish ourselves कि नहीं you don't deserve कुछ अच्छा, you don't deserve. It's not allowed. अब जितना ज्यादा ऐसे करोगे ना, और you are just lowering yourself, so you don't have to do that. Pull out time for yourself, like few 15 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour. Spend time doing what you enjoy, what you love to do. That will give you positivity. या फिर किसी को कोई social work में volunteer करना पसंद है, that places will make you feel that you are worthy, you are capable. वो आपको वहाँ से boosting मिलेगा. So do that kind of job, जितना भी आपको time मिले, like once in a month or twice in a month, but do that. That will make you happy and fulfilled. Okay, love your subjects, develop a relationship with them, because everything is energy. ये मैंने आपको already बोल दिया है. अगर आपको subject नहीं पसंद आ रहा है, that's okay, but practice and say it's okay ना. जरूर neutral feeling होनी चाहिए. There should be no hate. I don't like, for example, Iska, I did not like it, but I was just उसको पढ़ती थी, read, like I used to do it, read करके and whatever, but I never had a hatred वाला feeling. Shit, ये subject. हेटरेट तो कोई सब्जेक्ट के लिए होना ही नहीं चाहिए, या तो लव होना चाहिए या न्यूट्रल फीलिंग होनी चाहिए. एंड जिसको न्यूट्रल फीलिंग है, डू लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस ऑफ दैट सब्जेक्ट सो दैट सबकॉन्शियसली आपको कॉन्फिडेंस होगा कि आई हैव प्रैक्टिस्ड इनफ सो आई कैन डू दिस. आई मीन आई विल बी एबल टू क्रैक दिस in my exam. So do that. Even I remember in costing, marginal costing was a subject where chapter which had practiced around 20-25 times just that one chapter, because I don't know, मेरे को उसके साथ थोड़ा अलग सा connection था. So I was okay with that. But मुझे I did not have to give any reason कि मुझे that I am not able to do that. मुझे practice करके वो चीज को imbibe करना है, right? It is okay and very natural to have a breakdown once a while. Take a time out and heal yourself. So what I used to do, I used to put the earphones in my ears, like I used to listen to music, I used to dance it out, like literally just dance like crazy. Put that motivational song, like I used to listen to that and dance out and move my body. That used to release my stress, or sometimes I used to cry it out. So whatever is yours, you can do it. It is completely okay. Surround yourself with people who empowers you, supports you. They are your saviors. Practice affirmations that inculcate positive belief system in you. So अगर आपको सोचना ही है तो खुद के बारे में अच्छा सोचो. इनफैक्ट दूसरों के बारे में भी अच्छा ही सोचो. But at least at this point, think good about yourself. Do not think bad about yourself, right? Make fears your friend. Make them your driving force, not a drowning force. Okay? Make it as a tool to help you to take actions. So डर सबको होता है. मुझे भी आज लाइक ये प्रेजेंटेशन था, so there was certain anxiety inside me कि okay, I have to take session, I have to do certain new stuff with the students and all. So anxiety is going to be there. Like even a CEO of the company, everybody has anxiety. So that's very natural because we are human beings and we have emotions. But always make sure they are your driving force. So this anxiety was backed by a thought. It's okay, anxiety hai to hai, but I know I'm going to rock my session. So that is how you used to cope up. Fears aa raha hai to aane do, but make them your friends. Allow them you to take extra efforts, extra actions, and cause whatever you want to cause. Remember, you are not failure. It is just an event जिसका रिजल्ट फेलियर पास आया है. यू आर नॉट दैट फेलियर. जस्ट रिमेम्बर दिस लाइन. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हम सोचते हैं कि मैं फेलियर हूँ इसीलिए आई कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग, बट यू आर डिफरेंट देन योर फेलियर. फेलियर तो खाली एक इवेंट हुआ है जिसका पास या फेल होना है, बट आपका उससे कोई रिलेशन नहीं है, राइट? सो यू हैव टू डिस्टिंग्विश योरसेल्फ, because next attempt you will pass. So had you been the failure, you had been failure all the life, but that's not the truth. You are just not able to crack the exam, that's it. Uske baad next attempt again you will pass it. So have that kind of relationships with your exams also. Okay, so yeah, that's it. This was from my side. And now I'm open for questions. So let me know. This is my contact details. So whatever, if you want to connect me, I have an Instagram page. You can just go and I put a lot of content there also. This is beattitude.in. You can go and check it out and just do that. Or any questions you have, or you want to ask me anything, you need any support, you can contact me and approach me. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. So any questions you have?
There is one question from Maitri Shah regarding how to overcome all this stuff. I think you already answered for that.
Yeah.
So any particular, any question they can ask. Just want to show one more video. Before that video will end up, after that video, would like to thank you Priyanka Palrecha ma'am for this wonderful session. So thank you so much once again ma'am for this wonderful session and very eye opener. It will be very fruitful for all the attendees as well.
Thank
So
you so
once
much.
again, thank you all the participants for making this session very interactive by asking your question and replying as well. We have a one comment as well. Wonderful short rocking session. Thank you all from Bipin ji. Thank you Bipin ji for your comments and feedback.
Thank you so much, Vipinji.
Thank you so much all. So with this, we are winding up session, and we'll play one video that is very energetic. Would like to request all of you to watch that video. And thank you once again, Priyanka ma'am.
You're most welcome. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Thank you so much. So thank you so much, friends. With this, we are concluding today's session. Thank you so much once again for attending and participating. Very interactive webinar, making this webinar as a very interactive. And we are once again thankful to Priyanka ma'am. And with this, we are logging off. Thank you so much, all the attendees.